Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. So today I'm doing some really easy DIYs for you. I'm gonna be using stencils, which are like the easiest, most funnest way to decorate your home and show a little bit of like fun DIY decor as well. This company called Stencil Revolutionn contacted me and let me choose a few stencils that I wanted, and there's so many, and I think that their prices are pretty reasonable. So I will leave the links in the description box below if you want to check their stencils out. I received 3 of them, and the first one is of course this deer. I love this. This is like an 8.5 by 11.5 or around there. So I thought this one was so fun. I loved that one. The next one is this like a farmhouse sign. It says home sweet home. I love this one too. And last but not least, my other favorite thing in the world is where I'm from, which is this Michigan stencil. I am like overjoyed with all of these, and I cannot wait to show you the DIYs that I have come up with. Alright, so this is what the stencils look like a little bit closer up, and as you guys know, I do all my crafting on the floor, so these are just on a piece of cardboard that I paint on, and that's what I'm painting on through the video. So I'm just going to start out with 2 of these 8x10 picture frames, and I'm going to spray paint them. I did use this aged copper color. I absolutely love this. It looks super, super rustic, and I also used a satin jade by Rustic as well. So I'm just going to paint the backs of these picture frames white. I am conserving and saving money, so we only had to spend $1 for each of these. And then I'm just going to take the stencils. I started out with the deer first because I was overly excited about this one. And I just took pencil and just traced around everything, and then I just took the jet black acrylic paint, and then I just filled it in. And I did use a Sharpie to outline it, so it was way, way easier to paint.
I've tried, written down the words to say, it is time. I've been waiting 5 days to explain.
And then I did the exact same thing to the home sweet home stencil, and this was pretty simple and easy, so I didn't really show me painting everything black. This one was actually really time consuming because the letters were smaller. And for the last DIY, I'm just using this Waverly wax in the antique, and I'm just adding a little bit of water and then mixing it together, and then I'm just going to be painting this scrap piece of wood, and it leaves a really nice stain color on a piece of wood. So I absolutely love this, and it's so much easier than using stain. Every time I use stain, I make a mess and stain my clothes or the floor, so this is just way easier for me to do. And then I did just take a white chalk marker and I traced around the Michigan sign. This was way easier to use than a pencil. I started using a pencil and I could not see the pencil on the wood, so I thought this was way easier. And then I'm just painting this in with the white Waverly chalk paint.
How you make me feel inside, baby, got it all figured out.
And then to add a little bit of color, I'm just using this red apple acrylic paint, and I'm just putting a little heart of where we're from in Michigan. But that is it for my video, you guys. I hope you enjoyed watching this, and make sure you go check out the links in the description box below to check out Stencil Revolutionn, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.